Good morning. Saturday morning. Just wanted to fix a quick breakfast, what I have on hand. I only had 2 slices of toast, 2 eggs, some cheese, cheddar and mozzarella to be exact, and some turkey pepperoni. And I'm gonna brew my favorite espresso, Sumatra beans, about 16 gram. We'll go to that later. All right. Let's go ahead and grab a plate. All right. This is very easy breakfast that I learned from my dad. Basically, grab 2 slices of bread, cut some mozzarella, be generous. I love cheese. Why not? Not too crazy about cheddar, but hey, that's what we have. Wish I had some pesto too, but this time I don't. All right, what I'm gonna do is just gonna put pepperonis on it. And then cheddar, sandwich pepperonis with cheddar. And then this is gonna go to my panini maker. This is a cheese pepperoni toast. While that's cooking, we can get on to the eggs. Basically, crack 2 eggs. Don't worry about the mess. Excellent. All right, add some, I have Himalayan pink salt that I've been using. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. Whip this real good. All right, it's ready to cook. Let's put this puppy in the toaster or the panini maker. Here it is, already warmed up on medium. All right. All right, let's add some olive oil, generous amount, and fire her up. Make sure to use a wooden spatula. And keep whisking it with your fork. Excellent. Let's go ahead and toss this eggs. If you like, you can even cut some little pepperoni bits and mix it with the pepperoni with the eggs as well. I like it in my toast. So all right. Let's check on our toast. Wow, looks great. Almost ready. Come on, eggs. All right, as the eggs cook, this is what I do. Kind of move the sides in and fill it with the uncooked eggs. Almost perfect. Remember, we're just making fried eggs. We're not making an omelet or anything. But if you like, you can let it cook longer without disturbing it and sprinkle some cheese in it or any other vegetable that you like to include. Could be onions, tomatoes, you name it. And you just go ahead and cook it that way. But just now plain old eggs. I don't like it well done. This is just perfect. All right. Beautiful. Let's bring this puppy over here. Put our eggs right into our plate. Oh man, delicious. All right. Let's go ahead and grab our toast. Ooh, hot. Some people like cutting the edges of the toast. I don't. I like them. All right, this is it, you guys. Check it out. Perfect cheese toast with pepperoni. Breakfast of champions. If you like, what you can do is you can add some black pepper on it, such as I did, and go for it. I hope this will give some ideas to you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, follow my content. And next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make an espresso. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. I'm gonna pull a shot on my Bravo Bambino. Let's go ahead and grab our coffee. It's going to be on DF54, setting 8, grind setting. I apologize, grind setting 9. And I'll be using IMS basket, precision competition basket. All right, cup is warming. Excellent. Let's go ahead and put the dosing funnel on. Pour this puppy in here. A little WDT. Correction. Put our gravity leveler. And our palm temper. Perfect. Put our puck screen on it. I'll be doing 2-to-1 ratio. All right, here we go. Excellent. Let's put our scale away. Here it is, you guys. Beautiful. Look at this. Let's go ahead and grab some milk for this. actually using a D milk. Nothing crazy. Let's purge our machine. Bring in our milk. Excellent. One more purge. This time with the hot water to clean all that milk sucked in to the steam wand. All right. Now the fun part. I'm not into latte art. I just go with this. All right. Taste is more important than the looks at this moment. Maybe in the future. Here it is, you guys. Again, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And have an awesome weekend. Thanks for watching.